Welcome to our tutorial on troubleshooting common printing issues in Windows 11. Printing problems can be frustrating, but with a few simple steps you can often resolve them quickly and get back to printing your documents. In this tutorial we'll walk you through some of the most common printing issues and how to fix them. The first step when encountering printing problems is to check the physical connections of your printer. Make sure that the printer is properly connected to your computer via USB cable or network connection. If you're using a wireless printer, ensure that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. For printers like HP, you can use apps like HP Smart to check connection status. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve printing issues. Turn off your printer, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. This can either be done using the power button or by unplugging it. Once this is done, restart your computer and see if it resolved your issue. Open the control panel on your Windows 11 computer and navigate to Devices and Printers. Here you'll see a list of installed printers. Check the status of your printer. If it shows as offline or with any error messages, right click on the printer and select See What's Printing. From the queue window you can clear any pending print jobs and try printing again. Outdated or incompatible printer drivers can cause printing issues. To update your printer drivers, go to the manufacturer's website and search for the latest drivers for your printer model. Download and install the drivers accordingly to the provided instructions. Alternatively, you can use Windows Update to automatically update your printer drivers. Apps like HP Smart can also be used to do this for HP printers. Windows 11 includes a built-in printer troubleshooter tool that can help diagnose and resolve common printing problems. To access it, go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Additional Troubleshooters. Select Printer from the list and follow the on-screen instructions to run the troubleshooter. Ensure that your printer settings are configured correctly. Open the Print dialog box in the application you're trying to print from and verify the printer settings such as paper size, orientation and print quality. If print jobs are getting stuck in the print queue, clearing the print spooler can often resolve the issue. Open the Services app by pressing Windows key and R, type in services.msc and pressing Enter. Locate the print spooler service, right click on it and select Restart. As a last resort, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the printer on your computer. Go to Settings, Devices, Printers and Scanners, select your printer and click on Remove Device, then follow the instructions to reinstall the printer. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve most common printing issues in Windows 11. If you're still experiencing problems after trying these solutions, consider reaching out to the printer manufacturer's support for further assistance. That concludes our tutorial on troubleshooting common printing issues in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. For more Binary Swift Assist tutorials, please like, subscribe and turn notifications on. For any further help, you can head to our website www.binaryms.co.uk.